ladies and gentlemen. As we gather here today, I am quite sure that everyone here is feeling a deep sense of emotion as we bid farewell to Shri S. Manicka Vasagam, a true visionary and leader of our division. For those of us who have had the privilege of working alongside Shri Vasagam, we know that he is much more than just a colleague or boss. He is a friend, a mentor, and a source of inspiration. Today, we have put together a special tribute to our esteemed General Manager, Shri S. Manicka Vasagam, who is retiring after a long and illustrious career in the organization. Shri S. Manicka Vasagam was born on 3rd April 1963 to late Shri V. Shanmugam and late Srimati Kannamal in Virudnagar of Tamil Nadu from a humble background. He completed his BE with honours in Electronics and Communication from Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu in 1985, followed by an MTech from IIT Chennai and an MBA in Marketing. He also underwent a leadership development program at IIM Ahmedabad and an international immersion module at the Institute of Aeronautic and Spatial, Toulouse, France. Shri Vasagam joined HAL in December 1985 as Assistant Aero Engineer in the then Helicopter Design Bureau. He has had an illustrious career with exemplary exposure to all aspects of design, production, repair, and overhaul of aircraft and its systems. Pursuant to a stint of 20 years in various capacities in the design and development of India's first indigenous helicopter program Dhruv at the Rotary Wing Research and Design Center, he was entrusted as Technical Staff Officer at the office of CMD in 2005, which gave him multifaceted exposure to the nuances of the organization's functioning. In 2014, Shri Vasagam was nominated as Chief Executive Officer, Indo-Russian Aviation Limited Nasik, where he successfully handled various supply chain issues pertaining to Russian fleet. Subsequently, he was moved to the LCA Tejas division in 2016 as Additional General Manager, where he played a key role in establishing the supply chain, vendor base, and enhancing the production rate of LCA fighter aircraft. Since May 2020, he has been steering one of the largest production units of HAL, the Aircraft Division, as General Manager with additional charge of ASC and IJT, inspiring the team with his extraordinary guidance. Shri Vasagam is also a Fellow of the Aeronautical Society of India and is one of the organizing committee members of the Aero Innovation and Skill Council set up by AESI to support and nurture innovative technologies for India. Throughout his illustrious career, Shri Vasagam has left an indelible mark on this organization. From his early days as an assistant aero engineer to his current role as the general manager of the aircraft division, he has played a pivotal role in the growth and development of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In addition to his impressive career, Shri Vasagam is also a devotional and spiritual person who has always believed in the power of kindness and compassion. He often said that The busiest person is the one who has time for everything, and he has always made it a point to give respect to people at all levels. He has inspired and uplifted those around him wherever he has gone. Throughout his career, Shri S. Manicka Vasagam has always placed the highest priority on stakeholder relationships, particularly with customers, vendors, and peers. His dedication to ensuring customer satisfaction and building long lasting relationships with clients has been a hallmark of his work. One of the most striking characteristics of Shri S. Manicka Vasagam is his humble and cheerful personality. Despite his many achievements and accomplishments, he always remained grounded and approachable. He never let his achievements get to his head and always treated everyone with respect and kindness. His humility and lack of ego set a great example for his colleagues and will continue to inspire us all. As we bid farewell to Shri Vasagam today, we do so with heavy hearts. But we also celebrate his incredible achievements and the lasting legacy that he leaves behind. We thank him for his unwavering dedication, his tireless work ethic, and his compassionate leadership. We wish him all the best in his retirement and hope that his legacy will continue to inspire us for many years to come. Shri Vasagam sir, you will be sorely missed, but your impact on this organization and the lives of those around you will never be forgotten. Last but not the least, to the family members of Shri S. Manicka Vasagam, Srimati Kanaga Vasagam, daughter Priyanka and son Abhishek. We want to express our deepest gratitude for the sacrifices you have made in order to allow him to dedicate his time and energy to this organization. We recognize it is not easy to share a loved one with their workplace, and we are humbled by your support and commitment.
Hey everyone, Manicka Vasagam is a great asset to our family. As a eldest son, he has taken a lot of responsibility. He has supported our family morally and financially a lot. For me, he is my friend, philosopher, and a guide. He has guided me a lot in choosing my course, in choosing my career. He has helped me a lot. As he is getting retired, I wish him a happy and peaceful retired life. And the post-retirement life is going to be great for him. There is no doubt about it. He can utilize his experience, his expertise, his knowledge to others. The society needs a lot of support from you. So we all know that you are very much interested in teaching. You can choose that profession also. So I pray the God to give good health, happiness and peace in your future. Thank you.
Namaskaram. HAL is a part of our family. We all know Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is a Navratan company. Manikam is one of the Navratans. So Manikam cannot be separated from HAL, and HAL cannot be separated from Manikam. Above all, he will have all the blessings from the Almighty Sabarimala Swami Ayyappan and Appa and Appa. Namaskaram.
Hi Appa, the day is finally here. As you embark on this new journey in your life called retirement, I want to take this moment to express my deepest admiration and gratitude for everything that you've done for us so far. Your hard work, your dedication and sacrifice has made our lives better in countless ways, and I know we wouldn't be where we are today without you. But now that you're retiring, I feel like we're going to see a whole new side of you. We've never seen you relax, so you might finally be able to sleep in the afternoon without anyone disturbing you. I'm very curious to see what you're going to do next, but I'm sure whatever it is, you're going to do it with lots of love, dedication, and sincerity. That's how you've always worked, no matter how small or big the thing is. There's also one more person who's retiring with you. Hopefully, she has been your partner in life and in work for so many years. I know this is also a very bittersweet moment for you, but you've been Appa's rock, his sounding board, his biggest criticizer, and his constant source of love and encouragement. And I'm sure you'll continue to do so for many more years to come. I want to end by saying that, Dad, we couldn't be more proud of you. You will always be the first person I look up to. And thank you for always believing in us. You always had that special quality in you, and I'm sure everyone working with you is also going to miss you. So cheers to retirement, and here's to a big, bright, happy future. We love you, Appa. Bye.
மாணிக்கா, நீ எங்கள் குடும்பத்துக்கு கிடைச்ச மாணிக்கம், அது நவரத்னத்தில் ஒன்று. ஆனால் அது எனக்கு நீ அண்ணனாக கிடைச்சது அதுக்கு ஈடாக சொல்ல முடியாத ஒரு கடவுளோட பரிசு. அன்பு, உன்னுடைய மகிழ்ச்சி எல்லாமே கடைசி வரைக்கும் எனக்கும் நம்மளோட குடும்பம் எல்லாத்துக்கும் கிடைக்கணும். நீயும் நீண்ட ஆயுள் ஆரோக்கியத்தோட சந்தோஷமான குடும்பத்தாரோட மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கணும். உன்னுடைய கரியரில் இவ்வளோ தூரம் நீ கொண்டு வந்த மாதிரி உன்னுடைய லாஸ்ட் லைஃப் வரைக்கும் அதை கொண்டு வரதுக்கு உன் கூட நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே இருப்போம். எனக்கு ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி, நீ எனக்கு கிடைச்சது. கடவுளுக்கு நன்றி.
மாணிக்கா, பணி நிறைவு பெறுவதற்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். குடும்பத்தில் எல்லா மூத்த பையனாக இருந்து எல்லா இதையும் சரிவர நடத்திக்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அதை மேன்மேலும் எல்லோரும் குடும்பத்தை ஒட்டுமொத்தமாக இருந்து அதே போல் கடைசி வரைக்கும் இருக்கணுங்கிறத வாழ்த்துக்கள். தேங்க்யூ.
Hello uncle, congratulations on your retirement. It's definitely a big feat, and I'm glad you've come this far. Now that you're retired, you probably have a lot of time to explore and do other things. Wishing you so much of luck and love, and all the best.
Hello Mama, you are so intelligent, so simple, so humble person. உங்கள் சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ் பயங்கர எக்ஸ்ட்ராடினரி. நான் ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியப்பட்டிருக்கேன் உங்கள் சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ் பார்த்துட்டு. நம்ம ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கிற எல்லாருக்கும் நீங்கள் தான் பயங்கர இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன், ரோல் மாடல். ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಲವಲವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ. ಎನಿಯೌ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about my dad and his retirement. It's a bittersweet moment for me because while I'm happy that he's finally going to be able to retire and relax and enjoy his free time, I'm also going to miss him being around work. My dad has always been a kind of person, who puts all his puts everything for whatever he does, whether it's his job or his family. He always gives 100%, and that's something I've always admired about him. He's been a role model for me, and in so many ways. He's taught me hard work, dedication, and he has always been there for me whenever I need him. I'm so grateful for everything he's done for me over the years. And I know that I wouldn't be here without him today. Now that he's retiring, I know that he's going to be able to finally take some time for himself. He's earned it all over those years of hard work. I can't see all the amazing things he's going to do with his free time. Dad, I just want to say I'm so proud of you and how much I love you. You have always been an incredible father. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Congratulations on your retirement, and I can't wait to see your new chapter begin in life.
Hi, congratulations on your retirement after many years of hard work. You are looking forward to take some time and enjoy some well deserved rest and relaxation. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you for your support and encouragement. You are a very good husband and kind hearted and a very good father. This 30 years of a journey is coming to the end and a new chapter is beginning. We look forward to spending more time with you and creating new memories together. And my request, my small request is to kindly take care of yourself. Thank you again for being a part of my journey.
Thank you all for joining us today to celebrate the life and achievements of Shri as Manicka Vasagam.